Alright, hello to you. On the road again. Heading south. It's been a busy day. I started out in Alabama. And had my paper load picked up there. And driving south here to South Carolina. Beach Island. Kimberly Clark, big paper factory there. I guess we drop off the raw materials, big paper rolls, and they turn them into paper products. So I picked up my next load here, heading to Target now. Probably a load of paper towels, toilet paper. Somebody's got to do it, right? Well, it's been a good trip so far. I've been on the road for just less than 2 weeks. 2 weeks on Wednesday. I've already driven about 4,500 miles. Woo, I'll tell you, it's been non-stop. So a really good run. Seeing lots of sights.